Hey guys, welcome back to Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for coming back. On this episode, we're going to take a look at our 1976 Pontiac Firebird and see if we can get it up and running. So, thanks for coming back and enjoy the episode. Alright, we're going to work on taking this battery out of here. That battery was good till 2004, so it's a little bit out of date. The battery tray looks excellent in this car, so that's great. Alright, we're going to take a look and see if there's any coolant in here. It's about half full, so we need a fair amount of coolant. Let's check the oil. Power steering fluid. It's full on oil, and I checked the transmission fluid earlier and it's actually nice and red. So we're going to go ahead and pull the air cleaner off. See what we got under here. Four-barrel in here. It came from the factory with a 350, but they said they changed that motor out, and it's got a 400 in it now. Alright, let's get some gas, get some coolant. We'll get it all ready so when the battery gets here we can turn it over. Alright, while I was away grabbing the funnel here, the battery came as well, so we're going to be putting that in as well. So. Okay, the battery's installed. Let's pour some antifreeze in. All right, we'll call that good. It's right up to the top. So we'll put a little gas in it and see what happens. All right, we're going to pour a little gas in the carb, a little bit in the vent. I'm not going to put a lot in. I just want to see if it starts. So I'm going to go in and turn the key. That was great, it fired right up. I'm going to put a little more fuel in it, let it run a little bit longer.
You didn't see what was leaking though?
No.
Oh, I can see it's the fuel line. Yeah. Hi, Kelly.
Pumping?
Yeah, it's pumping gas pretty good.
Awesome.
And actually, it's shockingly clear. Come here and look. You see it?
Oh yeah.
Well, while it was running, it was really oozing.
Well, that's good news.
Yeah,
It
it
sounded good. It's pumping fuel. It shows.
I mean,
the
I didn't hear
tractor's
it.
working.
I didn't hear a tick for not being started in so many years.
No, that's awesome.
All right.
All right, we'll get that taken care of and we'll continue on. All right, we're going to take a look under the car. Ed said it was leaking something. You can see the puddle down there. We do see a hole in the fuel line. Let me see if it'll show up or not. I can't really see it, but it's the fuel line going into the fuel pump. Yeah, go ahead.
It may have a slight miss.
Okay, the fuel line that's leaking is the one that goes right here from the fuel pump up to the carburetor. This is the one that comes from the tank and goes to the fuel pump. Neither one look very good, so I'm going to go ahead and replace both of them right away to avoid any issues down the road. Okay, I got those two hoses repaired, both fuel lines, so let's see if it starts and see if it runs. Won't come off.